Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have the full spoilers to the standard Ipsy November bag. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was BoxyCharm Future Spoilers. Congratulations, Starlyn Luna. Star says, am I first again? Why, yes, you are, Star. You're really good at this, honey, and I appreciate that. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned to the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so usually on these full spoilers, I don't really tell you what the products are. I just put them up here and let y'all see them because there are too many to name. Just way too many. This video would be forever long. But now you do know that it went up to $12 a month, but they did up the value of the Ipsy standard bag. It's still just 5 deluxe sample sized items. And of course it's monthly. Now I should have showed you the bag before the spoilers. Pretty sure I did. You know, they do have the plus and the ultimate bags now, which I will link below as soon as I get those full spoilers out. But I got full spoilers to all of them. So whichever one you want to see, or if you want to see the others, they'll be linked below if you want to go check them out. For the month of November, they did team up with GG Gorgeous, so they do have some collab products, and there will be collab products with GG Gorgeous in all 3 bags. They're just going to be different products. As soon as they start revealing any December spoilers, I'll keep y'all guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. But as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations. Pamela Sasser, I think that might be how you say it. Don't you come after me, Pamela. I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Pamela says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Pamela. I really appreciate that, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed, and if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. It's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.